Welcome to Science Warriors. Whether you're an avid camper, a wilderness explorer, or simply want to be prepared for emergencies, knowing essential survival skills can make all the difference. Today, we'll share crucial tips and techniques to help you stay safe and thrive in various situations. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about camping. Setting up a safe and comfortable campsite is the foundation of a great outdoor experience. Choose a location that's flat, away from hazards like falling branches or flooding, and ensure you're at a safe distance from wildlife. When pitching your tent, make sure it's secure and well ventilated to protect you from the elements. Next up is fire building. A fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. Start by gathering dry tinder, kindling, and firewood. Use matches or a fire starter for ease, but also practice friction-based methods like the bow drill for emergencies. Always build your fire in a safe, controlled manner and ensure it's completely out before leaving the site. Access to clean water is critical for survival. If you're in the wild, use a portable water filter or boil water to kill harmful pathogens. Always carry a backup method of water purification, like purification tablets or a solar still, especially if you're venturing into areas where water sources are scarce. When it comes to shelter, staying dry and protected from the elements is key. If you find yourself without a tent, use natural materials like leaves and branches to create a temporary shelter. Alternatively, a tarp or emergency blanket can provide quick and effective protection from rain and wind. Navigating through unfamiliar terrain requires good map reading skills. Always carry a map and compass and familiarize yourself with the basics of orienteering. In addition, a GPS device can be invaluable for tracking your location, but make sure you have a backup plan in case of electronic failure. Basic first aid knowledge is essential for handling injuries and medical emergencies. Pack a well-stocked first aid kit and learn how to treat common issues like cuts, burns, and sprains. Knowing CPR and how to handle shock can be life-saving in critical situations. If you find yourself in a survival situation, signaling for help is crucial. Carry a whistle, signal mirror, and flashlight to attract attention. These tools are highly effective in making your presence known to rescuers, especially in low-visibility conditions. Finally, having a well-prepared survival kit can make all the difference. Pack essential items such as a multi-tool, fire-starting materials, a first aid kit, water purification supplies, and emergency food. Customize your kit based on your activities and the environment you'll be in. Mastering these survival skills will help you stay safe and confident in any situation. From camping to wilderness survival and emergency preparedness, being prepared is the key to a successful adventure. What survival tips do you find most useful? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found these survival tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical content from your channel name. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.